Want to develop a rabid and devoted fan base on YouTube? Want millions of subscribers? After reaching 1 million subscribers in a year on our YouTube channel, Cartoon Hangover, and spending years studying the best of the best including Hannah Hart, Sheikh Al, Michelle Phan and more, the #1 programming team in the world at Frederator Networks has compiled tried and true methods into the most comprehensive YouTube how-to guide. This book covers everything from program scheduling and branding, to title and thumbnail design. Follow these 10 commandments and you too can succeed on YouTube. Are you ready to launch your own YouTube channel, develop a devoted fan base and make money while you're at it? There are several reasons why you might decide to start up a YouTube channel, but regardless of your reason for starting your channel, the desired outcome is the same. You want to create content regularly and frequently, that is high quality and unique and works to build a brand for yourself so that you're able to gain more views and more subscribers. At the end of the day, the goal is to get your videos in front of as many eyeballs as possible so that you can get your message, cause, product, service or company out there. The many essential ingredients for a profitable channel, new strategies for getting views and subscribers, different ways to make money on YouTube, how to explode your YouTube channel's growth in less than 3 months. The top techniques for making quality content on YouTube, the secret formula to hardwire your channel for success, a step-by-step guide on collaborating with big YouTubers for massive growth, the best and most current vlogging and gaming equipment for small, medium and high budgets, exactly how to pick a niche you're passionate about, the success mindset you need to become a YouTube king, and much more. Whether you're a beginner or a veteran, this book will show you how to use YouTube to build a following, create a lucrative business, and make a massive impact in people's lives. This book is free of cost. The link is given below in the description. Read it now.